In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the image size or canvas size in Microsoft Designer. Whether you're designing eye-catching graphics for social media, creating presentations, or simply showcasing your creativity, knowing how to resize your images or canvas efficiently can be a game changer. Let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through each step, making sure you're equipped to tackle any resizing task with confidence. First, you'll need to open your favorite web browser and search for Microsoft Designer. Once you've pulled up the website, keep an eye out for the Sign In button located at the top right-hand corner of the page. Clicking on this will allow you to log into your account, ready to access all your projects. Now let's head over to your existing project. Find and select the project you want to work on by navigating through the toolbar. It's important to choose the right project here so that you can apply the adjustments precisely where you need them. Next, direct your attention to the toolbar once more and locate the Resize button. This feature is essential as it provides you with the flexibility to alter your design's dimensions to fit its intended purpose. Clicking this button will open up a range of options for you. At this point, you'll need to decide if you want to replace the current image by choosing from either your My Media folder or the Visuals section. This selection allows you to either use your own images or tap into a library of visuals provided by the platform, giving your project the fresh look it deserves. Once that's decided, you have the option to choose a preset size for your new canvas. Microsoft Designer offers a variety of preset layouts tailored for different platforms, like Instagram or Facebook, which can save you time and effort if you're designing for specific social media channels. Alternatively, if you have a particular size in mind, you can opt for a custom size. Choosing a custom size involves entering your desired dimensions. You'll need to input the width and height in pixels, ensuring that your design fits your specifications perfectly. This step is particularly important for designs that have strict size requirements or when precision is key. Finally, it's time to apply the new size to your project. By doing this, you'll create a resized version of your design where the elements have been adjusted according to the new dimensions. Make sure to review your project after the resizing process to ensure everything looks the way you envisioned. Take advantage of this opportunity to tweak any elements if necessary, ensuring your design maintains its original appeal even after resizing. And there you have it. With these steps, you can now resize images and canvases in Microsoft Designer with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful design tips. Happy designing!